Connect any data source to Power BI in less than 10 minutes. Check out this demo. Hi, welcome to Datadoo, the no-code data integration platform that you can use to easily connect all your business, marketing, or any other data with various data destinations in just a few clicks. Today, we'll take a look at how you can connect your data with Power BI. After you sign in, add a destination and select the Power BI connector. Next, add a data source. You can type the connector's name into the search bar to find an existing source faster, or directly create a new one. You can choose from over 150 connectors, such as Google Analytics. For each new connector, you'll need to authorize your account and give Datadoo permission to access your data. Select your Google and Analytics accounts, Property, and View. Next, select which metrics, dimensions, and attributes you want to extract. For more information about the mutual compatibility of certain metrics and dimensions, see our documentation. Then, define the settings for snapshotting, that is, when and how often you want your data to be extracted and updated in Power BI. To see if your configuration is correct, check the data preview, then save the source. You can name your flow and edit scheduling. Once you've done this, save the flow. When configuring your first Power BI flow, you need to download the installer and insert the API key into the Power BI desktop app. Once connected, each subsequent flow will automatically be available in the desktop app. Now, you're ready to create dashboards that will always be updated according to the schedule you've set. Get your data from over 150 sources to various destinations. Try Datadoo for free today.